Hello and welcome to Night Office Solutions how-to videos. Today we're going to be discussing how to replace toner on both color and black and white mid-volume linear machines. These instructions also apply to Ricoh and Savin models. The toner level icon can appear on any of the 5 screens. You can also select the check status button on the lower left of the screen, then select the machine information tab to view the toner levels. On this particular black and white model, the toner is located behind the front cover in the middle of the machine. The cartridge should pull directly out of the machine. Remove the toner cartridge. The new container will have step-by-step instructions on how to replace the cartridge. Keep the new toner horizontal and shake it 5 to 6 times. Then slide the cartridge into place and close the front panel. Toner loading will start and then the icon will show full. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it has helped you learn how to change out your toner. If you have any toner supply issues, please feel free to call our customer service specialist at 210-340-8909. We'll be happy to help you out with any of your service needs.